Hi, it's episode 4 of our new tech series where I review a tech gadget in 1 minute. It's Tock Tech Talk time, and today I'm going to be talking about the Sony RX0 Mark II. The Sony RX0 Mark II is such a cute camera. The size is perfect for traveling because it can even fit into your pocket. But don't let its size deceive you, because one of the best things about this camera is the photos and videos it produces. The quality is amazing, the colors are great, and when it comes to videos, it can shoot up to 4K, 30 frames per second, and it can even do super slow motion and time lapses. Another great thing about this camera is the flip screen. So it's great for people who want to vlog or take videos of your travels, whatever. So at least you can see how your face looks like in the frame. The other great use for this tiltable screen is that when you take super low angles, you don't have to bend really low, at least you can see it. The third great thing about this RX0 Mark II is auto tracking. So the minute you hit record and you're recording your face, it will track your face and keep it in focus no matter how you move. The only downside, however, if you want, let's say I'm talking about something and I want to show something in my background, it won't be able to focus on something in the far off distance and time is out. The Sony RX0 Mark II is touted as the world's smallest and lightest premium ultra compact camera. But because of its tiny and tough size, many are comparing it to the GoPro. Well, it's not really comparable at all, and it's definitely not a competitor, because the Sony RX0 Mark II is a category on its own. It's for a different category of people even. I'd say it's better for people who travel and want to make memories of their travels and talking to the camera. It's great for people who want to vlog. It's great for YouTubers who do it as a profession. I mean, just because Sony said that it's waterproof up to 10 meters deep, just because it's shockproof, just because it's crash-proof does not mean it's an action cam. So the other great thing about the Sony RX0 Mark II is that you can even attach it with a lot of external devices, one of them being the Sony Shooting Grip, which I highly recommend, because with it, you can easily switch between photo and movie with just a touch of a button. And I'm going to just try it right here. This is a movie, and you can easily zoom in and out. So easy. The other great thing about it is that it can easily act as a tripod. It's actually a mini tripod. Let's show you right here. Isn't it handy? And the other thing that makes this handy is the Sony Imaging Edge mobile app. So with that, you can easily transfer your photos and videos onto your mobile phone. Easy peasy, right? Okay, so I'm just going to shoot the rest of my ending with the Sony RX0 Mark II so you can see how amazing the video quality is. And let me just hit record. As usual, if you want to know the rest of my thoughts, please hit the link below. Until the next time, bye!